Travel is evolving faster than ever. While AI makes the headlines, the real game changer for travelers is something quieter: IoT and wearables. IoT stands for Internet of Things. It means everyday devices like watches or luggage are connected to the internet to share information and make life easier. From smartwatches that fight jet lag to hotel rooms that adapt to your preferences, these technologies are already reshaping trips in 2025, and by 2030, they could make travel almost frictionless. In this video, you'll learn how IoT and wearables benefit travelers today, what's coming in the future, and practical tips you can use right now. Let's start with what's possible today. 1. Smartwatches for health and alerts. Smartwatches like the Apple Watch or Garmin already help on trips. They track sleep, stress, and even warn you if your heart rate spikes mid-flight. Tip: use hydration reminders on long flights. It helps fight jet lag. 2. Luggage tracking with IoT. Airlines like Delta now use RFID to track every bag in real time, visible on their app. But travelers can go further. Apple's AirTag or Tile trackers let you know exactly where your luggage is. Tip: put a tracker in your checked bag. You'll know before the airline if your luggage missed the connection. 3. Smart hotels. Chains like Marriott, Hilton, and Citizen M are rolling out smart rooms. Guests can unlock doors with their phone, control lights and AC by voice, and stream Netflix without hassle. Tip: always download your hotel's app before arrival. In many properties, you can skip the check-in desk completely. 4. Connected transport apps. Cities like Singapore and London already integrate metro, bus, and ride-hailing in one app. Even in smaller destinations, Google Maps combines buses, trains, and walking routes. Tip: download offline maps before you travel. They'll save you when roaming data fails or Wi-Fi is spotty. 5. Airports using IoT. Some airports are early leaders. Changi Airport in Singapore uses real-time sensors for baggage tracking and crowd management. Heathrow in London is testing biometric boarding to cut wait times. Tip: if flying through these hubs, enroll in biometric boarding early. It'll save you precious time. Now let's jump to the future. By 2030, IoT and wearables won't just make travel easier, they'll transform the whole journey. 1. Smart hotels that know you. Rooms will automatically set the temperature, lighting, and even minibar based on your profile from previous stays. Your sleep tracker could sync with the hotel system to delay your wake-up call if you had a bad night. 2. AI-powered wearables as travel guides. AR glasses will translate menus instantly, overlay arrows on the street for navigation, and whisper local etiquette tips. Your device might even say, "It's raining in 30 minutes, I've moved your walking tour to tomorrow and booked a museum instead." 3. Airports with full IoT integration. Imagine never waiting at baggage claim. Your suitcase sends its location to your phone. Missed a connection? The system automatically reroutes your bag to the new flight. Security and boarding will rely almost entirely on biometrics, making queues shorter than ever. 4. Connected cities. By 2030, leading smart cities, think Dubai, Singapore, Tokyo, will link hotels, attractions, and transport. A single wearable could unlock your hotel room, pay for your metro ride, and guide you to the best restaurant nearby. In short, IoT and wearables won't just support your trip, they'll act like your invisible travel manager, making sure every part of your journey flows seamlessly. So, how can you benefit now while preparing for the future? Start small. Use a smartwatch for health tracking and an AirTag for luggage. Embrace contactless travel. Mobile boarding passes, smart hotel keys, and app-based payments are becoming standard. Explore early adoption. If you like trying new tech, keep an eye on AR glasses. They'll soon be as common as smartphones. Protect your data. All this convenience runs on personal information. Use VPNs, avoid public Wi-Fi for sensitive tasks, and stick to trusted apps. Whether you're traveling today in 2025 or imagining the world of 2030, IoT and wearables are here to make your journey healthier, safer, and far more enjoyable. If you'd like to explore any of the wearable tools mentioned, click the links in the description below. Thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments, which travel gadget could you not live without?